Hi Leo, kumusta po kayo? Welcome back here with Pinay Angel Tarot. I have a message for you from our Guardian Angels Tarot deck. Ace of Abundance. This carol brings wonderful news. A windfall of resources comes your way to help you with your plans. These resources may involve money, advice, or assistance in getting things done. It's a good time to start a new venture, change careers, or go into business for yourself. There may be important contracts to sign. Wow, this is a very good news. I feel like marami sa inyo makakatanggap ng offer regarding work or contract. Something that will improve your life. Okay, so now let's proceed to our main reading. Okay, for your overall energy, the Queen of Cups, you have deep emotions. You're using your intuition sa situation mo ngayon. Okay, Leo? Or pwede din for some of you, you're dealing with a Scorpio. Okay? Or any other water sign, Cancer or Pisces. Okay? So for your recent past, I see na there is someone in your life na very romantic. Someone na pinapasaya ka niya at nag-e-effort siya for you. And masaya ka, there is happiness in terms of love and overall sa buhay mo. Okay? This is a very positive energy. Okay? The Nine of Cups. So, sa nakikita ko na there is a lot of love here. And also, there is balance in your life. Okay? And for some of you, you're trying to be patient about your situation or your love connection, okay, with this Temperance card. You could be dealing with a Sagittarius or water sign, okay, Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. Okay, so for your current energies, I can see na ready ka for this new opportunity sa trabaho or job opportunity or career, okay. You have the tools na kailangan mo para magawa mo ng maayos itong opportunity in terms of your stability. Okay? Kaya lang, may dumating na bago sa buhay mo. Okay? Kumbaga, umikot yung wheel of fortune. Something bago na hindi mo in-expect. So, nakikita ko, for some of you, akala nyo, kaya nyong gawin lahat ng obstacle sa trabaho nyo or sa stability nyo. Kaya nyong ayusin lahat ng obstacle or conflict sa bagong opportunity na to. Yun pala, merong hindi nyo alam or hindi nyo expected na mangyayari. Okay? Something na dala ng Wheel of Fortune. Okay? So, sa nakikita ko, masaya kayo pero may struggle kayo. Okay? Something na hindi nyo in-expect na mangyayari. I feel like this is something about your stability or your work. Okay? For some of you, pwede din sa love connection. Okay? There may be some conflict na hindi nyo in-expect. So, for your near future, I can see na may mag-e-end na cycle. Okay? So, may bagong magsisimula sa'yo na something na very full of passion. Okay, so this could be a new love connection. Okay, or pwede din bagong job opportunity. Okay, pero so nakita ko grabe ang passion mo and you will receive a good news. Okay, pwede din you will receive a message from someone possibly na nasa past mo. Okay, pwede din someone na bago sa buhay mo. Okay, pero I see na there is passion in this connection here sa near future at bago to para sa'yo. Okay, with the World card here. You are doing what you want to do sa near future. So let's get some cards from the universe for you. may feeling ka ngayon na na-achieve mo ang gusto mong ma-achieve with the Ace of Swords energy at masaya ka. Kaya lang, parang hindi ka kontento, parang may kulang. Okay? Kasi, hindi mo na-appreciate kung anong meron ka. Okay? This is in terms of love. Okay? Not necessarily in your love connection. Okay? It can be a family situation for some of you. Okay? So, sa nakikita ko naman, masaya ka. Kasi may na-achieve ka na makes you feel victorious and peaceful. Okay? At there is a lot of love, okay, sa life mo ngayon. Or maybe dadating this coming July. Okay? Kaya lang for some reason, parang may hindi ka na-achieve na gusto mo sanang ma-achieve. Okay? This is the energy of discontent. Actually, may na-achieve ka na talaga. Okay? Pero parang bored ka. Okay? This is boredom. Okay? Or you want something more. Okay? So, I feel like you have to work on this. Okay? You should appreciate what you have. Okay? So, let's get some messages for you from the Romance Angels Oracle deck. Okay, you got pay attention to the red flags. The signs are cautioning you. Okay, so for those of you who are in a relationship, be careful, pay attention to the red flags. Tingnan mo yung signs sa paligid mo. Okay? Then you got very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Okay, so for those single out there, manifest kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. Okay? Kasi you will receive it if you're ready. Okay? Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. Wow. So that's what I have for you, Leo. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next reading. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.